Hello and welcome to a spooky episode of Claire Hair. So today we're going to be doing the As I Am curl color, and the tutorial is going to be for Kat from Wendell Wild. Now I'm basically doing a color match here. Her hair looks like a mint bright green blue mixture. I don't know. I'm doing my best to get the color right because, like I said, the movie has not come out yet. I'm just going based off of what I've seen online, and I'm just going to go through here, just mix it thoroughly until I get the color I want. I think it's like a seafoam green mint color. I don't know. Like, I can't even tell you what color it is, but this is definitely something I bought from As I Am. It was $7.99. Wasn't even that bad. Yeah, it was pretty easy to mix. I can see myself making my own unique colors in the future, but it's warm on your fingers, but it's cold on your hair. If you want to know what type of texture it is, that's like the kind of texture it has. But I had some green left over from St. Patrick's Day, so I didn't really have to go buy a new one. But I'm gonna go through with it's just stretched hair. There's no material on it at all. I'm coming from the bottom to the way up. And basically, I'm just making sure I'm thoroughly saturated through my strands. And I'm just plastering it on, kind of like a paste, kind of like a relaxer. I don't know. Just going on through, making sure it's coming from the bottom to the top. You can stop from the top bottom, but I feel like just slapping all that on your root is just not really something I would see as prudent. That's just letting you know, like, just from one pass what it does. So like I said, it's gonna need a couple of passes. My hair is very dark. So I would say the lighter your hair, the less passes you have to do. I think I can say between me and Tom Brady, who had the most passes, I would say I did about 6 passes. Okay. I would say I did about 6 passes. And then I think what really made my hair color more successful is because I tried something different this time. I tried to do a braid out in the back and then a twist in the front. So I'm going to go ahead and do like a shingling method and basically go through right there. I just want to show you guys like how my curls are popping. I definitely want, As I Am, if they're listening to this episode, can you please make a styling gel with the same property? Because baby, the curls were popping. Okay. But make sure you go through, I was trying to show you as well, go through the strands and make sure you're getting your roots, because I have a tendency, I just slap it on top. I don't open up the hair. I know what I'm trying to say. This braid tighter than my budget. Make sure you're braiding really tight. Don't be trying to be like a loose braid. Like, make sure it's a full tight braid, like it's like secured. And I'm just really tugging at the root a little bit, and I'm making my way downtown, all the way down to the end of the braid. I would say for certain, if you don't see product buildup, you ain't doing it right. Go again. If you don't see product buildup, you're not doing it right. Because I know some people are like, oh, well, it's done. Absolutely not. I'm also doing this thing where, like, if I see product, but I'm just wiping it through the braids. So like I said, I'm going to make the most of my money. I ended up just twirling the end because, baby, I was tired. There's too much hair and too much head to do. So basically, I would say I did 4 braids in the back and then 2 twists in the front. So that's 10 set. That's 4 plus 4. That's 12. We're like 4 plus 4 equals what? It was 12 sections. So I did the braids in the back, and then I'm going to go ahead to the front to show you that I did a bunch of twists up here. So like I said, 4 braids in the back, about 8 braids in the back, and then 2 twists in the front. And then I slept on it. That's how I slept. I also went to the movie. I went to go watch Black Adam. We'll talk about the review later. But I put some on my eyebrows because I'm extra. And plus, I ain't gonna waste no money. That's how I slept. I slept with the shower cap on. I didn't want it to rub off on anything. Any walls I walked by, I didn't want anything to be rubbed off. I can definitely say for Shay, shrinkage just here to humble me at all times. Whenever I start to get hype, shrinkage humbles me. Okay. Same old freaking Genuine dance is stuck in my head. Now this I'm going through with paper. A napkin. I'm just coming through and making sure that there's no rub off, no residue or nothing. Just coming through, like putting my fingers through it to make sure there's no residue at all. That's just to show you, because like I said, there was still some excess, because like I said, it was in a shower cap. Come on now. It was in a shower cap, so there still is some excess here. So that's left over. So I started taking it off slowly by slowly. So definitely take your time. So if you're in a rush, do not do that to yourself. You will ruin your life. But it's funny because like I shingled it in, and then when it was time to take it out, I shingled it out. So basically I want to make sure each strand is getting the color. And like I said, so far I'm very happy with the color, how it turned out. I feel like I was like a little mixologist. I was like, I gotta match it to the cat's hair color. We gotta be accurate. You know, I gotta represent because there's not a lot of black cosplayers out there. So I gotta come in for the girls and the boys and the theys and the thems. The curls are popping. It's looking more gray, but that might be the color on my phone. But it's popping. The curls are juicy. If y'all can make like a clear version of this, like a clear As I Am curl color, or even a black one. Make a black one. How about that? Make a black one. Make a black one, and I will buy it and I will sell it and I will use it every single day because the curls are popping. So I'm going through again with another napkin. Just to make sure that there's no excess on the back of it. But you see the curls for the girls. It is popping. So next piece is we're going to make this into 2 pigtails. Now, you know, I don't like doing pigtails because I feel like I'm in my 30s. I'm grown, but we're doing cosplay. Okay. But, I ended up coming in with the pick to like give it some volume because I didn't want it to look too dry. Plus I wanted to get some of the shrinkage out. These little loop-de-loops, they're $7. There's a pack of 4. And basically it gives you more volume in the ponytail, because a lot of people say just get a scrunchie. I was just like, if you don't have curly hair, please keep your mouth shut because we want as much volume and as length as we got. But I'm just going through with the pick, coming through to give it some length, and then I'm going to go in with this and basically going to the top with this, and then putting the scrunchie or whatever on. And that's pretty much it. I mean, this is the tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys how the technology works. I feel like one of them baby dolls where you can put that ponytail up like Mulan. You guys know what I'm talking about. But I feel like one of them baby dolls, and I felt like it gave me more volume. I feel like it's more thicker. I feel like it's more voluminous. But I definitely want to try this on a puff coming soon to see how it looks like. But hopefully you guys enjoy this tutorial. No, but seriously though, hopefully you guys enjoyed my special today, my pre-Halloween special, so to give you guys some ideas for this weekend. I think this was it wasn't even expensive to do, but I really want you guys to support Wendell Wild. No, it's not sponsored. Soon. But I want you guys to support it because I feel like the little girl in me, I would have loved to see somebody who not only has my skin tone but has natural hair, a different color too, being represented on her own. She's leading the show. I mean, it's called Wendell Wild, but it's really the cat show, baby. But I really hope you guys go and watch it, and I will be reviewing it as soon as I can. And I did a lot of guessing, so if I'm incorrect about any of the poses or anything, just know I guessed a lot of what she would do. But I figured I'd come outside and show you guys how green this hair is. It's green. It's gang green. It's green like money I don't have. It's evergreen. Look how green it is. I would definitely say that you guys should try it too. There's not a little pat. Look, I'm rubbing it on the curtains. Ooh, I'm a danger. Look, no transfer. So I would suggest to try it. I think you guys can think of some other cosplays that have green hair, but don't forget to subscribe, share. Viewer beware.